HRT-710 Modbus RTU to HART gateway allows a Modbus master to access HART devices on HART networks. HART devices commonly used with HRT-710 are transmitters, actuators, flow meters, and instrumentation equipment. The module comes with software utility for fast and easy configuration. With the HRT-710 HART to Modbus converter, you can interface their HART devices with Modbus networks and convert HART to Modbus very easily. Modbus is a widely used protocol that was developed with industrial applications in mind. HART protocol was developed for measurement applications. The HRT-710 HART to Modbus gateway allows Modbus devices to be incorporated into HART networks. HART is a master-slave protocol which provides up to two masters, primary and secondary. And the secondary masters, such as a handheld, can be used to monitor and control the information of HART bus. HART can be used in various modes such as point-to-point or multi-drop for communicating information to and from smart field instruments and central control or monitoring systems. To learn more about our HRT-710 modules, visit our website or contact a member of the ICP-DAS USA team.